DJI is stepping into the mirrorless camera market with its first full-frame model, expected by the end of 2025. Known for revolutionizing drone technology, DJI now aims to challenge established brands like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. This move could redefine professional photography and filmmaking. A key highlight of this new camera is its partnership with Hasselblad. DJI has worked with Hasselblad before, but this time, it is likely incorporating Hasselblad's expertise in full-frame sensors to deliver exceptional image quality. Photographers and videographers could benefit from crisp details, rich colors, and superior dynamic range, bringing their vision to life. Another standout feature is built-in 4D stabilization. DJI's experience in gimbal technology makes this a strong selling point. Whether shooting handheld or on the move, users can expect buttery-smooth footage without the need for extra stabilizers. This alone could make DJI's camera a game-changer for content creators. DJI also focuses on modularity with this camera. Whether used in a studio, outdoor shoot, or a YouTube setup, it is designed to adapt easily. The user-friendly interface, inspired by Scandinavian minimalism, ensures a seamless workflow. With possible cloud storage and wireless transfer, sharing content instantly might be easier than ever. For video creators, 4K at 120 FPS is another exciting feature. This means high-resolution, slow-motion recording, perfect for cinematic videos. Combined with DJI stabilization, the footage will likely look smooth and professional even in challenging conditions. Perhaps the most intriguing aspect is its competitive pricing. Expected to cost around €2,500, it could position itself as a direct competitor to mirrorless giants. With such advanced features at an affordable price, DJI's entry into this market could shift the industry landscape. As anticipation builds, many are wondering, will DJI's first mirrorless camera disrupt the market? If it delivers as promised, Sony, Canon, and Nikon might have serious competition. DJI's expertise in stabilization, imaging, and innovation could make this one of the most exciting releases in recent years.